Hi, welcome to my channel. See, please watch my part 1 video. This is part 2 video, continuation thermal conductivity, in which we will discuss thermal resistance. See, before going to that, we have to know already about the Ohm's law, in which current passing through the resistance, that we will discuss about the electrical resistance, then with comparison thermal resistance. See, for first one, this is the conductor which is connecting to a resistance R. This is the current is I. Okay, this point is A and this point is B. So there is a potential difference VA and VB. So potential is VA greater than to VB. Current flow from the higher potential area to lower potential area. So what is the current formula? I is equal to V divided by R. V is equal to IR is the Ohm's law. So I is equal to V divided by R. For that, potential difference is there. So VA minus VB divided by R. So nothing but this is current is equal to Q divided by T. Rate of flow of charge is called current, which is equal to VA minus VB divided by R. Okay, so this is our formula. Okay, in which R is the resistance. So resistance R, which is equal to rho L divided by A. Here resistance is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the area. So rho is the resistivity. Okay, and here second formula R, which is equal to L divided by sigma into A. Okay, so here rho is the specific resistance, or resistivity, and here sigma is the conductivity. So sigma is the conductivity. Okay, see now continuation. Here we can compare this concept to the thermal resistance. See, for that I am taking, this is the conducting substance. This is high temperature area theta 1. This is the low temperature area theta 2. And heat flow is Q. And L is the length. And A is the area of the conducting substance. Okay, the condition is here theta 1 greater than to theta 2. Heat flow from the higher temperature area to lower temperature area. So here Q is the heat flow. Okay, Q divided by T, which is equal to Ka theta 1 minus theta 2 divided by L. Okay, rearranging this equation. See, here Q by T, this is rate of flow of charge. Here capital Q by T is the rate of flow of heat. Small q is the charge in the current. Here in the thermal conduction, that is thermal resistance we are discussing, in which capital Q represent the heat. So continuation, Q by T, which is equal to theta 1 minus theta 2 divided by L divided by Ka. L divided by Ka. See, here one thing clearly we can understand comparing with this equation. See, so Q by T, here small q by T, theta 1 minus theta 2, Va minus Vb, and R is the resistance there. Here R is the thermal resistance. So capital R, which is equal to L divided by Ka. This is thermal resistance. This is thermal resistance. Thermal resistance. Please take down notes and I will continue. And continuation, here we got R is equal, what is that? L divided by sigma into A. What is sigma? Is the conductivity. It is defined as the reciprocal of the resistivity or specific resistance. Okay. And continuation now, this is, here we got thermal resistance. We can replace this value in the above equation. The resultant equation is Q divided by T, which is equal to theta 1 minus theta 2 divided by R. Here R is the thermal resistance, which is equal to L divided by Ka. And try to understand next, here Q by T, that is represent the rate of heat flow, that is power, heat by time or work by time or energy by time. Okay, that represent the power. Okay, so now power, which is equal to theta 1 minus theta 2 divided by R, and theta 1 minus theta 2 into power into thermal resistance. Okay, so this is taken as delta theta, which is equal to P into R. So R, which is equal to delta theta divided by P. See, delta theta is the change in temperature. So we can write here SI units of thermal resistance. Thermal resistance SI units is temperature difference is Kelvin divided by power is watt. So simply we can write Kelvin per watt also. Thank you, and watch next video also, that is series combination and parallel combination of the thermal substance and coefficient of thermal conductivity relations.